this video, I'm going to show you the different writing tools that are found in Snowflake's Chorus app, which is the whiteboard app. So when I open Chorus, this is what it looks like, and it's already selected with the pen tool. Okay, so I have the pen tool. I can select different colors here, and I can rotate through different colors. It is 20 points of touch, so I can touch more than one time. Okay. I can also select the pen tool and use the paintbrush. I can select back on the paintbrush, and now I'm going to select a new color, and I'm going to select the pen that creates a perfect shape. And this is a simple shape creator. Okay. So it's not going to create a star or a heart. Okay, so really squares, triangles, circles. Then you have the spotlighter. I'm going to switch over to red, and I'm going to select the spotlighting tool. Okay, so if I want to highlight something or spotlight something, I'm just going to circle that. It's going to blink a couple of times, and then it's going to disappear. Okay, back in the pens, I have a highlighter. Let's go to yellow. And I'm going to also adjust the thickness of my highlighter here and color on top of that. Okay. And so these are the different pen tools that you have available in the Snowflake software.